CodeSpy.ai, a software tool that helps pinpoint AI-generated code in your codebase. While AI can boost your productivity, it comes with its own challenges. Most AI models are trained on older data, which makes them introduce outdated code in your projects, leading to potential errors. Let's see a demo of CodeSpy. I'll just go to login and I'll log in with my account. After login, I was redirected to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you can see right here we have a button that says new AI scan. So I will create a new AI scan, and from this drop down you'll see that CodeSpy supports Java, C#, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++. So you can scan any code in these languages and analyze it with CodeSpy to see if it uses AI or not. So here I'll test with Java and I'll paste some Java code, and then we will analyze and see if this code is AI generated or not. So I'll go ahead and click analyze. It's submitting, and you can see how quick it is. It gave us a response, and from the overview here we can see 98% of the code that I pasted is mostly AI, and I can click on this one. This will give us more details, and we have a summary here. This code contains a significant amount of AI. Then down here, CodeSpy will highlight the code that is most likely to be AI. And this way you can be able to debug quickly this code. At the very bottom you can see CodeSpy will give you a summary, and the code that is marked as red is highly predictive to be AI code, and then the one in orange could be AI code, but it's not as high as the one in red. Now let's come back to CodeSpy here. I will create a new AI scan, and I want to scan another code here. I will paste the code. It is still Java code, and I will analyze. This code is a bit long. Let's see how long it takes to scan it. And there we go. I think it was fast, and you can see most of the code here is human written. If I click on this one, only 2% is likely to be AI code, but most of it is human. If I scroll, I can see any sections that are highlighted. You can see most of these doesn't have highlights. Now down here we do have some highlighting, and the yellow part is the one that is most likely the 2% AI generated code. Otherwise the rest is human. CodeSpy doesn't rewrite code, but by identifying AI generated segments, it helps you spot potential issues faster. According to an award-winning study at Tadon School of Engineering at NYU, AI code, like what GitHub Copilot generates, often includes outdated syntax and errors. CodeSpy AI can help you spot these issues early. CodeSpy AI offers a free plan which you can use to test it out. If you are a small software consulting business, a team of 1 to 4 devs, you can still use AI coding agents to boost your productivity, and then use CodeSpy AI to catch buggy AI generated code before it reaches your client. CodeSpy also have a plan for medium-sized businesses, perfect for companies that rely on a few experienced engineering managers overseeing large teams of independent developers. The teams can increase their productivity by using AI, but CodeSpy AI will help with accountability and fixing issues during the QA cycles. Use the link at the description section below to try out CodeSpy.ai.